So this is the inspection codes which we can create it, a default value for the return refund codes, which is all a default value. So as I said, this 4 will talk about the default values which you can take it, and there is on the specify plant requiring approval checks. So you can activate which is the required approvals for those plants, and specify setting at client level. So this is like a kind of a all the integration point of view, right? So you can see that account assignment category, when which one it has to take it, right? And for non-valuated stake, which one account assignment category it has to take it. If it is a repairing, what is the process? If you are using a EDI, and which one it has to take it. So even you have a supplier returns, we have some checks for the inspection point of view and for the QM and EWM point of view also. And assigned settlement processing type to return order type. So if the process is using for settlement, then you can use this. Sales document type is whatever the new document types we do have, right? So these are the new document type and you can use it. And there is a follow-up document. Follow-up document, as I said, like which is the movement type which you want to use it for advance return. This is a AR. The movement type is 657 right now. We can make it a 655 or 653, whatever is the company follows, right? So based on that we can change it, but right now as a default is a 657. So specify stock type for the stock transfer. So if it is using a stock transfer, which stock transfer has to behave on the based on the plant. All right. And this one also specify storage location for the follow-up activity. So you can specify this as shipping point and plant, and based on the shipping condition, what is my storage location and what and all the activities you will do that in that specific storage location. You receive a plant, what is the scrap or immediate scrap or transfer free, target storage location, and in repair, internal repair or external repair. So this many activities you can perform under this plant and this storage location. So if you want that, you can specify it here. Okay, but now I'm not doing it. And specify following document type for the returns. So as I said, we have a default for SD2 for a subsequent delivery free of charge, and there is a document type for CMR, GA2, and we do have even purchase order if you are using a supplier returns in terms of the supplier product, so you can use the NB2. And last one is assign supplier return reasons to customer return process. So like earlier I have shown you this for order regions, that is for customer point of view. This one also can be used for the supplier point. Okay, and there is a, if you are using this like a follow-up activities point of view, right? And there is an another one is settings for the repair as a follow-up activity. As I said, this is one follow-up activity. If you are using for whatever the product you can do even the repair, then this activities has to be activated. There is some settings has to be activated for those. So now the material inspection. So for there is a setup for QBM, and for the warehouse point of view, this nodes actually will show all the settings in the one single node. So that's why you can see all this. Otherwise it is a different kind of modules which they need to perform their activities also. I think I have spoke to this refund codes also. Let me see this. Yeah, the refund codes, as I think I already spoke to you guys. Let me see.